Hey everybody, welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you Janitor AI Public Chat and how to use it effectively for better results. So you can see you can do different type of CSS information and CSS generation using these platforms, and you do not even need to do anything yourself. You can see here. So I recommend to use it for different type of bug removal, enhancing and optimizing your code, selecting curves and stuff. So it is going to be suggesting you best of the terms, and everything is told in detail here. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. And if you are looking to simply use it effectively, I recommend these chat options. You can see the CSS is currently generating. You can do it related to different type of UIs. If you want to create better UIs, make sure to enter a well-tailored prompt in here that is going to be helping you to come up with best results. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.